Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.4. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 18.09% since we first identified Microsoft as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.75% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a pullback towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $462.01 would signal a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 20.61% over the coming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 3.73% to 21.84%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 6.08%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 28.03% and negative 5.42% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $329.17 and $432.56. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Microsoft as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate. The Microsoft stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.723% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025. It decreased from $460.69 to $457.36. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.22%, reaching a low of $456.94 and a high of $462.52. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.83% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows stock trends. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 4 million shares, with a total of 17 million shares exchanged for approximately $7,670 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest price was $344.79. Currently, the price stands at 2.35%, or $10.99, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is making significant advancements in the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, with major enterprises in Brazil adopting its core AI technologies. This trend signals strong potential for future growth in that region. The increasing adoption aligns with analysts' optimistic outlook for Microsoft, as indicated by upgrades from several financial institutions that reflect confidence in the company's prospects. Microsoft continues to be regarded as a strong buy, primarily due to its leadership in cloud computing and artificial intelligence, with Azure consistently demonstrating record growth among hyperscalers. Furthermore, new collaborations, such as the integration with Figure 8 Federal, showcase Microsoft's ongoing commitment to enhancing its AI lifecycle, particularly in defense applications. Simultaneously, updates to Microsoft 365 Copilot are improving productivity across various sectors, increasing efficiencies for clients like the Mike Morse law firm. These developments may positively influence Microsoft's stock price in the short term by fostering investor confidence and supporting continued revenue growth. In the long run, A consistent focus on innovation in artificial intelligence, coupled with strong cash flow generation and a solid market position, could position Microsoft favorably as it navigates potential market challenges and seizes future technological advancements. Overall, these factors suggest a promising trajectory for Microsoft in the coming months and years, reinforcing its status as a leader in the technology industry. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Microsoft a rating of overweight, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft a rating of outperform, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned Microsoft a rating of outperform, along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Microsoft a rating of outperform, along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Microsoft a rating of buy, along with a hold action. Analysts have provided a general buy rating for Microsoft stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $456.10 and $416.56. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, with the stock experiencing a decrease of 0.723%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $425.40 and $390.49. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this support is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Microsoft finds support just below today's level at $425.40. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $390.49 and $357.86. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $5.58 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.22%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.35. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $458.17. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $425.40. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider sale of 21,500 shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Altof Judson conducted an insider sale of 9,298 shares of common stock. Also on the 19th of May, 2025, Altof Judson conducted another insider sale of 6,702 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider sale of 77,894 shares of common stock. On the same day, Coleman Amy conducted another insider sale of 13,242,774 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.197. Overall, insiders purchased 112,773 shares and sold 320,014 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $439.91, reflecting a decline of 3.81%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Microsoft stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of May, we anticipate Microsoft to open higher by $1.58, starting at a price of $458.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.